Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this part in NX toy. This is a detail join. Okay, let's start. We first need to create the main body. Use the extrude, select XY plane. Okay, first we need to create 3 circles. Construct tangent X. Tangent Y. Construct 2 arcs equal. The arc center onto the curve. Make dimension 17.2. Radius diameter 20. Diameter 12. Next, we need to add arc. Construct tangent. Radius 120. Sorry. Delete the tangent construct. 120. Middle curves. Convert reference and construct the angle 32. Tangent to circle. Add a line. Tangent. Next, we need swim this gauge. Finish the sketch. The distance 3 mm. Need symmetrical value 1.5. Okay. Next, we need to create this cylinder feature. So, extrude, select XY plane, create a circle, construct onto X 22. 13.2. Finish. This the 10 minus 10 millimeter. Here is 15. Boolean unit. Okay. Next, we need to select YZ plane and create circle. We need the half trimmed sketch. Make dimension 22. Finish. Boolean unit. Okay. Next, we need cut this chamfer, so select XZ plane. We need intersection curves. Select this face. We get this line as a reference, convert as a reference. Make dimension 10 millimeter. 7 millimeter. And this 60. Cute. Seven millimeter. Finish. Boolean subject. Okay, next we need to create this set feature. So create the sketch. Extrude, select X, zip. Oh, sorry. Select this plane. Create a line. Then we make dimension, angle, radius 5 millimeter, and the angle. Sorry. So these are 45. This 12 millimeter and 27. Eight millimeter. 4.5. 10 millimeter. Okay, we finish the sketch. Finish. Console. Yes. Next we need select revolve rule. Single curves, select these curves. And spatial vector, select this line. Boolean unit. Okay. Next we need to create this side feature, so select extrude, select this face, then we need to create curve, this point onto X. Convert to reference. Make dimension 3 mm. The angle right? What? 100. Close the sketch. Add an arc. Finish. Boolean subject. Okay. Next we need to select extrude 7 and partner feature. Circle X. Select center. Spanner 6. Okay. Next we need to create this big hole. Create a hole 20. Okay. Next we need to create this tube. Actually select this face. So create a line. Show the body. Then we make dimension 5 mm. This create a line as a reference this point onto the line. Okay, fillet 10 mm. Finish. Console. Yes. Then we need to select this curves surface, select tube, and select sketch 10. It is surface. Cool. 4 mm subject. Okay. Nice. Next we need to create the 3 hole on the pad. The hole and the 5 mm. Select this. Okay. Edge blend 1.5. Appraise the body. Okay, we finished the part. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.